Hey, I'm Matthew from Living Tesla. I'm here today with Steven from Nikola Pro and Kevin's Model 3 to do a Chrome delete. He decided to go with Nikola Pro because his shop is actually pretty close to us, so we could come here and get the full deal. But also his kit has some nice features that others don't have. You don't have to take as much of the car apart, and it comes with some nice accessories. So I'll let him tell you about it.
Like Matthew was saying, this is very easy to install. You can view the full install video at nicolepro.com/install if you want a more in-depth tutorial. But basically it comes with the front trunk emblems, comes with a heat gun, all the squeegees you need, comes with all the trim, mirrors, pretty much every piece of chrome, including the door handles and cameras, are included with this kit for $149 and $137 without the heat gun.
All right, so let's get started. So here we are with no chrome. We spent about 3.5 hours with doing video. So there was some stopping and restarting. Steven says it typically takes 2 to 4 hours for most people, just depending on how meticulous you are. Didn't mention that the kit actually does come with 2 of every single piece. So if you get it perfectly right the first time, you could do 2 cars with 1 kit. We had a few pieces that we went back and redid just because we wanted it to be perfect. So it's really nice to know that you can do that, and it makes the kit a lot better value. When you first open it up, there are a lot of pieces, and that can seem a little intimidating, but just keep in mind that, like for the mirror in particular, all those pieces help make it easier. Some kits have fewer pieces, and that sounds good that you'll have fewer seams, but it can make it a lot more difficult to install. So overall, it wasn't too hard at all. I watched Steven do the passenger side, and I did a lot of the driver's side just so I could get a good feel for it. And it's high quality vinyl. It's easy to just pop it off and back on if you're getting out of line. So highly recommended. So check out the links in the description, and thanks for watching.